Hi guys, it's Shtuky Cookie channel. Today I will teach you how to cook frozen shrimps or frozen креветкас. This is shrimps from my freezer. They have snow even on the top layer. So first we need to make them room temperature. How to do this? You just clean the shrimps with cold water and put them to the pan with cold water and leave it at room temperature, let's say for about 20 minutes or so. And for this time our shrimps will become unfrozen and you will be ready to cook it. Now take some salt, and it depends on your taste. I like to take more salt, and bay leaf. Put everything all together with new water with a pan into a pan, and let's start to boil our water. So when you will see water bubbling, start bubbling, mix everything together and boil it for about 3 minutes. And that's it, guys. The perfect recipe for the shrimps. That's it. So please let me know in the comments, how do you cook frozen shrimps, and do you like my recipe? I think this is the perfect one and I use it all the time. Enjoy!